Jackly update. And during taping ng Firewall, ay magkatabi pa nga sila Jack Roberto at Kylie Padilla. Kaya no, siguradong ma-action yan. At started ng mga Jackly fans. So, makasama rin nila Jack at Kylie. Yan sila at Buboy Villar. Miguel Tan Felix, Lexi, Gonzales, at saka si Jessica Fausto. And soon on GMA, ang Firewall. Solid, oh. Yung cast, solid. Ayan na sila. Parang kada na. Ayan si Jack, Kylie, sa Miguel, Buboy. Ayan, after nila, taping, ayun, oh. Dumaan na yung cast, ang Firewall. Ayan si Kylie Padilla, oh. So, ito pa, ayan, magkasama pa, ayan sa taping. Si Kylie, saka si Miguel. At iba pang cast ng Firewall. Ayan, abangan yan soon. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard in Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.